The easiest and highest quality way to watch Spectrum on your smart TV is with an HDMI cable. First, power off both your Spectrum cable box and your smart TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on your cable box. It might be labeled ARC for Audio Return Channel. Then plug the other end into any HDMI input on your TV, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Power both devices back on. Use your TV's remote to select the correct HDMI input. You should now see the Spectrum cable signal. This method gives you the best picture and sound, supporting up to 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos. If your TV doesn't have HDMI ports or as a temporary solution, you can use a coaxial cable. Connect the coax cable from the RF out port on your Spectrum box to the coaxial input on your TV. Then tune your TV to channel 3 or 4 or scan for channels in your TV's settings. For older TVs, composite yellow RCA or component red-green-blue RCA cables might be needed. Check your devices for support. To switch inputs, press the Input or Source button on your TV remote. Select the right input, HDMI 1, coax, etc. If you have no signal, double-check all connections and try rescanning channels in your TV's menu. For further assistance, Spectrum's support site or app has guides.